Hello viewers, welcome to the Lohagad Fort, also known as the Iron Fort. Located about 90 kilometers from Mumbai and 65 kilometers from Pune at an elevation of 3,450 feet above sea level, Lohagad Fort is one of the best built forts of the Maratha Empire and a UNESCO World Heritage. It takes about 3 to 4 hours to see the entire fort. The best time to visit the fort is during the monsoon season, when the rain makes the surroundings look fresh and lush green. Lohagad Fort has a long history with several dynasties occupying it in different periods. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj captured this fort in 1648 AD. Later, he was forced to surrender this fort to the Mughals by the Treaty of Purandar. In 1670 AD, Shivaji Maharaj recaptured the fort. Subsequently, the Peshwa dynasty used the fort for living and built the stepwell during their rule. We can reach the top of the fort by stairs. We come across four doors on the way to the top, all of which are intact and in reasonably good condition. The first one is called Ganesh Darwaza, the second one is called Narayan Darwaza, the third one is called Hanuman Darwaza, and the fourth one is called the Maha Darwaza. Out of these, Hanuman Darwaza is the most ancient of all the doors. The fort is a great choice for trekking, which is relatively easy and the view from the top makes it worthy. The fort oversees a panoramic view of the Pavna Lake in the south and the majestic Vizapur Fort can be seen in the east. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do tune in for the next one and don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps motivate me to bring you more content. Until next time, stay safe.